video, I'm going to talk about GR date in warehouse management, which is different from our inventory management related GR date. So this GR date is available in Quant, and that will play a key role in your first in, first out. Okay, so let's take it the GR date in SAP WM, which is available in Quant. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how will be the GR date impact when you're making any kind of a goods movements. First, let's take it that the current GR date of a quant. Okay. So current GR date of a quant is let's take it that is available as 03/06/2023. This is the current GR date of a quant. What is this quant and all? We explained in multiple videos. Now we will check it here. So go to SAP and go to LS26 HA1. Okay, I'm going to check any one of the stock. Okay, so this is called quant, and quant has a GR date. This was the GR date I am talking about. And during receiving, they got 03/06/2023 when you're procuring the material from the vendor. So now what happened? Stage 1. Okay. What happened in the stage 1? We will keep it like GR date. Okay. This is the GR date. Okay, this is the GR date. In stage 1, we perform transfer from plant A to plant B. Okay, current GR date of a quant in plant A. Okay, in plant A, the GR date is 03/06/2023 after GR from PO. Okay, just will give like that. So stage 1, you transfer the stock from plant A to plant B on 09/10/2023. So you did a transfer, then the GR date at plant B okay, GR date at plant A and GR date at let us do this way. GR date at plant B. So GR date at plant B, it was nothing available because no stock. So here still plant A is having 03/06, but plant B will have get the GR date as a 09/10/2023. Now the stage 2, what you have done, warehouse to warehouse. Transfer from one warehouse to other warehouse. During this case also, this one will be still 03/06, but other warehouse it will become 9, 10, 2. So if you change the stock from one plant to another plant or one warehouse to another warehouse, the new stock, the plant or warehouse which is receiving the stock, that will get the date when the transfer was happened. It won't care about the initial GR date, it will change. Okay. Now the stage maybe case. Okay. case 1, case 2, case 3. Okay. GR date at, let's keep it source GR date at, so that it will be applicable plant and both, otherwise it will generate a small confusion. So GR data the destination, GR data at the source. Now case 3, what you are going to do, storage bin to storage bin. You are doing the bin to bin transfer. At that point of time, this one also, this one, and both, when you do the bin to bin transfer, there will not be any impact to the GR date. But if you transfer to the another warehouse or if you transfer to the another plant, the GR date will be changed. That's what I wanted to tell in this video. When you're having 2 warehouses and when you're making changes and when you're transferring the stock, your GR date will be impacted. Okay. So system will take the transaction date as a GR date. So storage bin to storage bin on 09/10/2023. So no impact. Still the GR date will be same. That's what I wanted to convey. I hope this video has given you an understanding about the impact of GR date during different goods movements. Thanks for watching. And if you like the video, keep sharing with your circle. Thanks again.